In this video, we're going to look at call logs. The call logs allow you to see the incoming and outgoing calls made from your tenancy. Select call logs. You can then filter by today, this week, this month, or custom. As you can see, we have calls made in this month. The green arrow facing right indicates an incoming call. An orange arrow facing left indicates an outgoing call. You can see the time, the date, the to, the from, and the duration. You can also drill into the call if you need to. This is useful if you are needing to log a fault with the support team. You can download your call logs in CSV format. This is useful if you need to do some reporting. Thanks for watching this video on call logs.